So hey, yo, what's up YouTube? Thanks for watching UB's World. It's me UB and I'm back with another exciting video. So in this video we are with an exciting product and that is nothing here. So without wasting any more time, let's move on to the unboxing part. So let's go. And yes, so in this box we get, that is obviously a nothing earbuds, which we have already removed it out, and then we get two boxes inside the box, and one is about cable, type C cable, and the other one is of earbuds. So the next thing that we get is a book, and it's a guide, so no use of it. So let's directly jump into the first box, and that is of earbuds. So you get three options, like one is small, one is medium, which is already installed in your earbuds, and second one is large. So you can just install it whichever you want and which is comfortable to your ear, and you are good to go. And yes, this is provided in one box. And if you talk about the other box, and that is a cable charger, that is type C charger, where you get a normal small size charger, which is not so lengthy, but yeah, it is good for carrying, and the material is also really great, amazing. So I hope you guys must have liked the unboxing part. So directly let's move to the product part itself. So as you guys must have seen that what all things do we get in the box, what all things are provided in the box. So let's not talk about it now. Let's directly talk about the advantages and disadvantages, pros and cons of this product. So basically, if you talk about the pro, then if I be honest, then actually from myself, I like the product. The build quality is too good, and if you talk about the casing, if you talk about the theme they have used, that is transparent and with the white and black color, and even it suits completely, and I have just liked it. And if you talk about how is the build quality and how is the experience, then I can give it about 8 out of 10. Now let's talk about the earbuds itself. So this is the earbuds, this is the right one, which I marked as a red color. So the fitting is completely perfect, like you don't need to worry about falling it off from your ears. So let's test. So I've just plugged in both the earphones, and if I just turn my head, then there is no chance of falling it off, because the fitting is completely amazing. And if you talk about the connectivity, even it is about 10 out of 10. But one thing, if you want to connect it from one device to another, then you have to download an app that is provided by them, that is Ear1. So let's talk about that is what is the charging time do we get. I think from my side I got about 6 hours of this earpiece, and if you talk about the case, then it may go about 12 hours to 15 hours, I'm not sure, but from my side I think that is the only time limit we get. In total we get about one day itself, 24 hours in round figure we can do it. One thing I have liked the most, and that is if you want to just raise the volume up or down, you can just slide it here to down. It automatically turn your volume up or down, and that is actually a good feature. And there are lots and lots of more feature, like if you double tap here, the volume the song pause, and if you triple tap, the song changes to the next one, or if you triple tap on the left earbuds, the song just plays in the previous sound. So now let's talk about how does this actually look. What was my first impression when I saw? So the first impression is most of my colleagues, my friends did not like the theme of the box, and even myself, I did not like the shape as well as the size, because it is too big, and whenever you keep in the pocket, it is not that not that big, and it is pretty thin, but it is not pocket friendly, and you can use it, you can carry wherever you want to go. But most of the time this is a transparent, and it may cause some of the scratches, and after a few days this will you have to be very careful while using this case, because it's the transparent, and I don't think so you will find any color changes like yellowish color, nothing like that. And it is waterproof as well. Yes, these earphones are waterproof, and that's really crazy. And for this price range, 6,000, you will get such an premium outlet, such an premium output, and I'm just happy with the product which I got. So these were all the advantages, these were all the pros I have spoke about this product. So now let's speak about the cons. Yes, like most of the time, it's been about 2 weeks since I'm using this earbuds, but most of the time this earbud did not connect automatically to my device. That was the main issue. And most of the time whenever I used to wear both the earphones, but I couldn't control it from double tapping it or triple tapping, like I couldn't control, it was not responding. And also whenever there is an urgency, if someone is talking to you, if there is a conversation before with a person, and you have to take it off, because when you keep this in your ear, you won't be able to hear anything, because the noise cancellation ability is amazing, too good. When you just turn on the noise cancellation into high, then you won't be able to hear anything, that is for sure. And that is really crazy as well. And also one thing, the right earpiece was not responding on time when I was using it from past 2 weeks, and it was pretty good. And even in looks, I can give it 10 out of 10. I just loved the looks, and the charging case, the charge timing. If it takes only about 1 hour or 45 minutes, that's it, to completely charge, and that's pretty much nice. So now the main thing why we are buying these earbuds, and that is for gaming, mostly for gaming, and listening to the music as well. So first thing, I had a problem, that is while playing PUBG Mobile. Yes, this wasn't responding on time. Like if there was any enemies coming from right or left, you can identify easily, but it takes a bit delay whenever you play games, or even if you try for a reels. Most of you guys must have used it while using a earphones. They play a song and they just dance in it, but this takes about 0.30 milliseconds delay. But okay, that's the main issue also, I can say. And if you talk about the sound quality, and that sound quality is amazing, like the sound quality is too good, and I just love it. I can give it 10 out of 10. Yes, this deserves 10 out of 10 at any cost. I just love the sound quality, the music quality, everything is really crazy, and even it looks really premium whenever you just keep it, like you hear it. And this is unique. And if you guys are planning of buying a new earbuds and your budget is 6,000, more than 6,000, this is the only best earphones I can suggest you guys. Or there are many more Samsung buds as well, that is for 10,000, 12,000, but your price range is about below 5,000, 6,000, you can go for it, because there are many more earbuds. But this is actually a new one. It looks premium as well. It has the shape of AirPods Pro, and yeah, this actually looks premium, and even you will like it for sure. And yeah, others is in your hand, because I have given you the complete information as well as the complete technique, or like complete feature information. So that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys must have loved it. If you like this video, please don't forget to press the like button, and also do subscribe to my channel, because I'm bringing all this amazing contents every week, and I'm trying to make a streaming and make a gaming video on my new other channel, and so please do watch it out, and the link is given down in the description of the new channel, so please don't forget about it. So yeah, without wasting any more time, sorry, chalo, let's meet in the next video. Until then, goodbye.